Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful Volkswagen camper van. It's a very special van with a high specification. It is a Autosleeper Trooper. So Autosleeper being the manufacturer, Trooper is the model for the Volkswagen. Beautiful metallic green there, popping in the sun. Absolutely stunning. Registration is November Kilo 12 Alpha Charlie uniform. Got some nice stainless chrome effect to the front. As I said, beautiful colour here in the sun today. We have alloy wheels all the way around. Fantastic pop roof on it. There's no damage, rips, snags nor tears to that whatsoever. So the van is set up into what we refer to as day mode here at Raylands. So let's take a closer look inside. So this door is in fact electronic. So we just open the door and it slides all the way open, and same the other way. And we also have a switch on board as well to open and close that door from inside the front of the cab. So we've got a beautiful wood effect floor there throughout, and the cabinets with the cream finish. We also in fact have a full carpet set to go across here as well. We've just rolled that up, so it gives the new owner the option to whether fit it or not. So, as I said, very high specification van because it's made by Autosleepers. We've got a Dometic fridge here on board, which we can run off a 240 volt socket. We can run it off the leisure battery, and we can of course run it off of gas. So we've got three options how we run our fridge. Just show you inside there now. Really nice and clean. Put loads of stuff in there. We've got three glass tops across the worktop here to show you what reveals underneath each one. So at the end here we've got a twin gas Smith hob. We've got a nice sink area here, and because it's an Autosleeper and it's extremely high spec, we also have hot and cold water, so it's nice to have that hot running water there as well. And we've got another workstation here which we can use also as an additional drainage area. So we've got a plug there. Just before we jump in the other side, just show you inside here as well. We also got a fantastic grill area. So we've got options there for our catering. We got a 240 volt 3-pin socket there as well. And we also have another 12 volt socket and I believe a TV aerial socket there as well. We've got a whale heater for our hot water, and also we've got our whale space heater for our night heating or just heating in the van while we're parked here. So we can imagine sat here as well. We've got a nice captain seat turn around this side. We also got our LED lighting, as I said, some nice leather finish across the top of the seals there. So let's take a look around the rest of the van and we'll get that set up into sleeping mode. So as I said, the roof is no rips nor snags nor tears to it whatsoever. Absolutely superb down both sides. As I said, alloy wheels. So down the sides we can see our correct ventilation for all our heating. We've got our sockets here for our water. There's a nice Trooper badging we've got this side as well. As I said, roof's in absolutely fabulous order. No rips nor snags nor tears. Just while we're setting up there, I'll just show you a beautiful view here in Sevington, Somerset at Rayland car sales. Absolutely stunning view. Beautiful day today. So I do believe we're all set up now. Shows how fast that can be done. Got a nice double setup downstairs here. I have slept on one of these Autosleepers myself, the Trooper model like this one. Fantastically comfortable. Also thanks to that nice night heater we've got on board as well. Really nice comfy space. You can see down here is our gas storage area. I do believe there's 2 gas bottles in there at the moment, 2 space for 2. So let's just shut up that door again. And also, you can just see from the roof on the inside as well. Really fantastic 2-berth camper. There's that door closing again, fully electronic. Got a nice stainless finish across the rear bumper. And we've got our rear parking sensors there as well. So let's take a look inside the front of the cab. So this van is only covered 69,106 miles, so 69,106. It's got a fantastic service history. Let's just start the van up a second. So we can see there we've got no warning lights whatsoever, apart from just our seatbelt warning light as we're not wearing a seatbelt. Handbrake there, which I'll just release to show you, that was the handbrake. And just letting us know that the tailgate's still open, which we can see back there. Drives absolutely superb thanks to that nice 6-speed manual gearbox. As I said, here's our switches and door inside here as well for our electric door, which I'll just push now just to show you that from the inside. We've got air conditioning on board as well. Got radio CD. We've also got cruise control. Got remote locking with 2 keys, got electric front windows, and we have electric fold-in heated mirrors as well. For those of you who notice, this vehicle comes with a 12-month AA roadside, free of charge, as we're proud to say we are an AA Cars, AA standards approved dealer. So we have it, a fantastic Volkswagen camper, finished by the renowned Autosleepers, all ready to enjoy here for your summer. Be quick with this one, as I'm sure it will go very fast for this price. If you wish to purchase or book a viewing, we view by appointment at all times. Please feel free to give us a call on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Or you can view RaylandCarsales.co.uk. Hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll speak to you soon.